So now let's understand the program of implementing a queue. आप queue को किस तरीके से implement करोगे using C++ programming. So before that, first of all, we have to include a header file first. हम एक header file include कराएंगे, and the name of that header file is queue. Okay. So I'm just writing over it here. Queue. The next step is to I'm going to declare queue और उसका मैं generic data type भी बताऊंगा. So let's say I'm going to make a use of my queue. इसका let's say मैंने queue का type बता दिया character and here I'm going to create an object of my queue. और let's say मैंने उसका object का नाम क्या दे दिया queue. Okay. Now this queue can utilize your all the functions push, pop, front ये सारे functions ये queue अब utilize कर लेगा. In order to insert an element into a queue, we have a function called as push. So let's say मैं एक element insert कराता हूँ queue dot push. तो character मैंने इसका type लिया, so I am going to insert a. तो अभी मेरी queue में सबसे पहले element कौन सा insert हो गया a. Now I am going to insert 4 more elements into it. Let's say मैंने अभी insert करा दिया है b. तो a b मेरा कहाँ पर insert होगा? At the back of a. a के पीछे होगा मेरा b. I am going to insert 2 more elements into it. So let's say q dot push c and q dot push b. So let's say 4 elements I have been inserted into my queue. तो front का element कौन सा मेरा a और let's say end में मेरा कौन सा element है b. So now here I am going to make a use of my cout statement /n and I am going to check the front element of my queue. And here I am going to make a use of a function called as front. So I am going to make a use of queue dot front. अगर आप stack पे काम कर रहे होते तो यहाँ पर आप लिखते stop, but we are working into a queue तो मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा queue dot front. Now again I want to check which is the last element of my stack. So let's say I am going to make a use of the last element of my queue. And for that I am going to make a use of a function called as queue dot back. Okay. If you want to check the number of elements into your queue, अगर आपको check करना कितने number of elements exist in your queue, you can do is cout. Let's say I am going to make a use of /n and let's say total number of elements in queue. And you can make a use of a function here called as queue dot size. The size is going to return you the size of your queue. So let me just click on save and execute this program.